Am I really done?
Look at Kayden, they came to cheer, so we at Kayden's little, what's it called? The little carnival for her school.
What you doing?
I just got off work, so I ended up leaving a little early today so I could be able to make it to her program. And then we got the gang on here. The gang is with me. So we got my grand. Back of Mona, back of Monet. Hey, I got Eli. Say hi. Say hi, y'all. Say hi. YouTubies. Come on. He don't want to say hi. That's Jeremiah. He's just not waking up. He's just not waking up. Yeah. There's Jeremiah. There you go. Hey.
I'm gonna show my teacher her.
Okay.
Right, that's her auntie. She's like, I'm taking over. Y'all be good. You got y'all on camera. Right, okay. I'm watching y'all too. Be good. You're welcome. Hey. Eli. Hi, sweetie. This is a little picnic. They got the ice cream truck right there. They all got plenty of food trucks. Pizza. They got some other food trucks over there. Mini pancakes. Oh yeah, right over here. Yeah. That's drinks. The donuts is over here. The donut station. There's another food truck that's over here. Oh, they have lemonade, juices, donuts there. I think goodies.
Okay, drink some more water.
Ask Eli. You have to drink some more water, baby. That way you won't be dehydrated. Stay hydrated.
Drink some more.
Turn around. There. Yeah, for you won't be dehydrated. Your lips won't be peeling. And you stay hydrated because it's dry. It's dry Arizona here. No, thank you, baby. I had some water earlier. Then that's another food truck right there. Some more food trucks right here. Then they got the, what's that in there? Oh, that's where the shade is at right here. Hi. Oh, that's the cheerleaders. Hi, girls. How y'all doing? Okay, they getting ready for their cheers. Okay. Y'all have fun. Rock it. See ya. Hi, how you doing? Hi, what's your mom? How you doing? That's good.
You gotta get a chance. Where the bathroom take her?
Bathroom's right here. You boo-boo? No. I think she did. Yeah, let me open the diaper. Okay. Did you boo-boo? Want my grandma to change it? Yeah. That's a mama. Look at that gorgeous face. I heard you was roughhousing people. You was roughhousing your parents and your brother. Yes, look, she looking at me. Was you roughhousing them? You was roughhousing them. Yes, it was. They say you grab them. You grab their feet and you try to gnaw their feet. Yeah, come on, mama. Got it. So they about to cheer. Look at Kayden.
Come on, make your way on and watch the cheerleaders and hurry up and come on.
Get up and jam with us. Go blue, go yellow, HRS. Get up and jam with us. Go blue, go yellow, HRS. Get up.
Yay! Yes, that's so cute.
another place you would be mine.
Get it, girls, get it. Good job. Good job. Work it. Work it. Y'all did a great job. Yeah, that was like they're like this. You just been cheerleader.
Yeah, but I didn't have the rhythm, so I was on the bench.
Oh no, you had a rhythm.
I didn't do that one shit.
What? You was a bench cheerleader.
Yeah, they said you sit
Oh, you're
right
gonna sit
here.
on the bench.
They gave me the, they had got new uniforms. They gave me the old one. They said,
ain't
yeah,
taking
you
nothing.
get the old uniform. I said, oh,
What? That is so. You still got a picture of your when you was a cheerleader. I saw you.
yeah.
You so cute.
Yeah, I thought
You're
it
gonna
was
be
cute.
thirsty, okay?
Uh
I was
huh.
not on that bench, doing it on the bench.
You want to get up and do no dance?
They didn't want me to. They was like, they
Let's
said,
go,
oh, yeah,
baby.
you girls can go out there.
The food trucks here, they have the pork belly bites, oxtail plates with rice. Oh, they got the soul food here. Loaded brisket, potatoes, brisket mac and cheese with the brisket. Oh, rib tips. Oh, they got, you see what they have? How much is that little tacos right there?
It's the Briscoe tacos with
Yeah. You say $4? What you want to get? Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Oh, what is it? Mac and cheese? Just mac and cheese?
I don't think they have mac and cheese open. I think they have mac and cheese down there. He has donuts and he wants to rate the donuts. Tell him what you rate the donuts. How are you gonna rate them? Oh, 10 out of 9? A 9 out of 10? Oh, he had the fresh baked sprinkle donuts from the Donuts NV. Hot donuts, fresh lemonade, and then we ended up getting those flies is getting to my food now. They think they're gonna have a feast too. I got some catfish. Jemiah told his catfish up. Yeah, for they can get to it. I'm about to eat this catfish. So I put me some hot sauce on there. I got the macaroni and cheese and baked beans. Kayden. We just waiting on her. That's their pizza. So I ordered them some pizza from the food truck.
Okay, someone want the yard donut.
This is good.
If someone want the yard donut, it's one more.
I'm okay at this point.
Yeah. Mona just drunk her bottle. My Mona, hi, Mona. Hi, beautiful. Hi, so beautiful. Look at them jaws. You just want to bite them fat jaws. Look at that pretty face. Look at that pretty fat juicy face. Oh, Lord. What you got? You got some excess milk? Yeah. She like, give me some of that mac and cheese. But I don't want to be constipated. Say, only if we had some potatoes. If they had some potatoes, it would be on and popping. Yeah. Yeah, so let me put it in the bag. Because they trying to tear that sweets up. Okay, I will see y'all once they do some more cheers. They had the little band going on. Hi. They had the band going on, so they had the bouncing houses right there. So the bounce house right there. So we'll be going to the bounce house pretty soon.
She laughing,
You laughing at your brother? Yeah, look at that smile. Look at you laughing at Elon. So you make your sister smile. She be so happy. She was so happy. They played good together. Baby about to get on the slide. Come on. You know how to climb up there? Hi. Look, pull on the rope. Pull on the rope right here. Pull on this. Yep. Climb all the way up. Pull on that. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay. All the way. Sorry. Whose shoes are these? I'm stepping on. Sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. Your hair's so pretty. All the way up. Pull on the rope. You're almost up there. Yeah, you got 2 ropes. You see the other rope to your left? He's climbing on that one side of the rope. You got it? Come on, step up, step up. There you go. Almost up there. Almost up there. All right here, go up there. One more. Okay, I'm gonna meet you on the other side. Hold on. Okay, you ready? Elon, turn around. You ready? Slide. Come on. Woo! That was fun, wasn't it? You was scared?
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw it in your face. I saw you were scared. That's because you're not used to it yet.
But I like it.
You like it? You want to try the other little baby slides over there? This a big one too. You want to try that one? You can climb up right there. Climb up in the front. There. Uh-oh. You okay? There you go. Get on up there. He's so careful. Hold on.
Hey, yo, you gotta slow down, my boy.
There you go.
There you go.
Here he comes.
Hey, yo, don't push him, honey. There you go.
Whee! There you go. Big boy, you like that slide better? He said he was scared on that power horse. I mean, that powerhouse over there. That one's smaller. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Right. I was like, you gotta get used to it. You don't get on very many slides.
Ding, that's so
Oh,
yeah.
they're racing. Oh. Come on. You want this one? Look, Elon.
All right, we got a challenger for you.
No, I don't think that's too big for you. Yeah, right here. You want that one? Okay. Get on the tropical one. Oh, it's the rocks. Be careful. He's like, ow, ow, ow. There you go. There you go. Can you help them, please? You want to get on a slide or you want to play basketball? Okay. Thank you. There. Uh-oh. Almost, Elon. Oh, you gotta put your feet up. Grab the rope. You should have grabbed the rope. You're like, no. You got to get on that. Well, let's get on the bouncy. You want to do the bouncy one? Come on. She didn't even want to help you. Come on. Come on. You want to jump around in there? You like that one? Go ahead. Come on. There. Get it, Elon. We found him a playmate. Aww. She's so cute. You're welcome. Aww. There you go. He tried to get on that sled. He climbing up. It took him a while to get up there. Yes, the big one. When he came down, he was like, when he was going fast. Yes. Yes, I'm like, oh my God. He got on the big. Yeah, that's a Mona. Hey, Mona. Ah, give me them jaws. Oh, she drooling too. Say you are teething. You are teething. Yes, you are, big mama.
They got a big,
you're pretty mama.
field.
Yeah, this field is huge. Then they got the whole back. They got so many basketball rims over there. This school is bigger than the other one. Yeah, this one's pretty big.
Hi, Baba. Achilles.
There you go. Hello. I got it. Yeah, he was like, oh, he was rocking on the. He was like, this rocks, out. Basketball in that one, big boy. Ooh, that's good job. Yeah, we got to order one of these for his birthday. Yeah, slam dunk. Oh, get it. Almost. Get it. Ooh, yeah. It's going to wear him out. Do it in the middle. Get all the way up there. Get all the way up there. Yay! All right. All right. Oh, oh, she back. She wants to play with him. Oh, she want to get in the other one. Okay. Well, you want to get in the other? Go ahead. Eli, get the ball. Your buddy in here. Yeah. She started crying instantly. Go ahead. Take a shot. Yeah. She's so. How old is she? 2? Oh, she's so cute. Oh no. Dang, it's the dust and stuff. Oh, they done booted us out of there. I'm like, what is that? A dust storm? That's storm. I'm like, dang. I'm about to choke. What in the world? They're wrestling matching there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. There. I'm not camera shy. So I'm not camera shy, Grandma. Nah. So I like the camera. So hi. So hi, YouTube. So hi, YouTube. So hi, Mr. Family. That's my family too. Look at you drooling. She got some droolers. Yeah. Oh, she's got on you. Look at her. Hi, so baby girl. That's a baby girl. Yeah. That's my Mona. He's having a ball. He's like, oh, we gotta get on this one. We gotta get on that one. We gotta get on this one. And those two down there. I was like, okay, we're gonna get on all of them. Peekaboo! Look, your brother said peekaboo. Look. She look at the ball. Yeah, she's like, I like that right there. She's like, well, I want to get on that one.
I can't wait till she start walking. It's gonna be so cute to see.
Okay. Well, y'all have fun.
Come on, big boy.
Because it's 7 o'clock. Come on. Throw it. Woo, almost. That was far off. Oh, Jemiah got it. Throw it in the hole. Oh, it was almost there. Like that. Like how you like your that little game you play at Chuck E. Cheese. You gotta throw it in the hole, but from afar. Yeah, now throw it in the hole. Woo! Almost. Woo! You gotta get a little closer. Go walk up and get a little closer. You walk up, Elon. Go up. You walk. Oh, he want to do it from right there. Okay. Oh. You want to walk up and do it? Almost. Get it. Oh, you got it. It's in there. Come on, go ahead. Throw it. Whoa. Oh, that's some heavy bean bags. Whoa. I know she looking like mama. She like, why I'm not playing? She like, look at her face. She like, oh, I'll be glad when I get out of this so I can start walking and terrorizing everybody. I can play with the toys too. Shoot. She like, I gotta get in this dang on stroller. Come on. You're gonna be just like your brother. We're gonna be chasing after you. Yeah, these are hoes. I think they're little, what they call them, little groundhogs. Yeah, they did. You wanna do it on the grass? Oh, okay. Hi. You have fun? You like, Yeah, I enjoy myself too. Now I can go home and take this shower. Of course, I got my uniform. Let me show my uniform. Of course, I just got out work. Got my uniform on.
Uniform with the matching shoes. Yes, those are the most comfortable shoes.
Of course. Thank you. Tickle got them. He got them for me. I showed them. I got it off the Facebook. You know how you have them on Facebook? The hookah sponsorship. Yeah, they had them there on Facebook. Yeah, so he ordered them. Come on. Yeah, got a heel. Little heel. We got the music. The tummy hurt. That's because you're full. You have a good day, okay? Nice seeing you too. Okay, see ya. You too. It was nice, very nice. As always, I'll bring you guys right along with us every time we go to Kayden's little festival at her school. And I will see you next time. We'll have to close it on out. Don't forget to hi, see ya. If you could drop me off. Yeah, I can drop you off. You can? Oh, where y'all get this from? Hi. I see you. Have a good day, okay?
You was jumping on the bounce house?
I got this one from there. They can add meat on the top.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. And the donuts?
This one's from there.
Oh, yeah. They got the donuts. It's so good. Where you stay? You think I have enough room? I got like 7 seats, so yeah, I think I could take her.
You want to take her too?
Yeah. Where you live?
She look kind of like me.
Y'all want to walk or you want to?
I'm going.
No, you can't walk by yourself. I'll take you home. Okay. Let's let your mom know that Kayden's mom is going to take you home. You got a phone? Okay. She's like, yeah. I always record. I do YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah. You got a phone?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, love y'all.
All right, man.
Love you too.
Mwah.
Thank you for
Okay, thank you. You're welcome. I'm glad you came.
And you
Love you. Look, he took over the juice. Yeah, love you. Look at my baby.
You about to die.
She's sleeping. Yep. Let me give me a kiss on the
Don't
forehead.
forget your food.
Oh, yeah. Give me a kiss. On a sweet forehead.
You about to go.
I got some sweet kisses. Yep.
You about to go.
I'm about to go. Tell the subscribers to say subscribe to Grandma, our family channel. To our family channel.
Our family child.
Say thank you for the subscriptions if you already subscribed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'd like to type all your videos.
Yeah. You watched the video today? Oh, y'all are some good supporters. My grandkids and daughter-in-law always watches our video.
Yeah, we watch it.
I look, and I'm editing your video for when you graduated. Yeah, so it's gonna be nice. I edit that, so it's gonna be really, really nice.
Yeah,
I just gotta finish editing it.
All right.
Okay.
My mommy friend.
oh, your
She grabs her
Amani?
foot and look. Look at she's sleeping.
My mom friend.
She grabbed her foot and then gnaw on the seatbelt to go to sleep. Look at the first baby girl. Look at so mama. She holding her feet up. She like, shoot, that little breeze feel good. Y'all ready?